Hello dear traders, my name is Oleg Prishepa. Welcome to Trading Hero YouTube channel. Let's start our weekly review. Our total profitability is plus 215%. This week has brought us 1.65%. Our profitability for March so far is 4.4%, and I expect to close this month with a profitability more than 5% in a conservative mode, more than 10% in a moderate mode, and more than 15% in an aggressive mode. Let's switch to the MetaTrader platform and see how we were making the profits. First currency pair is GBP to USD 1 hour time frame. I highlighted this week with a gray rectangle. So you can see that we spent this week in attempts to actually break the previous resistance level. That's why mostly we can see selling orders here and only two orders when we were buying. We started this week from closing the trades from the previous week. Then we broke the previous highs and it triggered our algorithm to sell. We closed this deal with profit as well. Then on Tuesday we tested the previous local levels and we made another selling trade and closed it with profit. And on Wednesday, on a reversal movement, we had the impulse for more than 1,000 pips with no correction. Actually, it has triggered the buying order here. And then we had another impulse, and we also broke the previous support local level and but at the bottom of the previous week and closed our deal with profit. Then we were mostly selling after making new impulses, forming new local resistance levels, breaking those levels, and now we have two trades in the market, and we're expecting for the market to fall from these levels. If not, we still have a lot of uh, resistance levels above to average the trade if market will not go in our forecasted direction. But so far everything is okay. We made profit. We have two trades. So let's move to the next currency pair. It is GBP to Canadian dollar. Finally, we closed the bunch of four trades. We started gaining this position from the previous week. And actually, I can say that it was a really hard movement, and I'm really glad that we closed it actually easily with only four orders. But for many traders, I know this movement was not easy at all, and a lot of people lost their money on it because we had around 5,000 pips with no sufficient correction to close the trades if you use martingale or averaging strategies. Speaking about our net of orders that we put here, actually we wanted to, because of two main factors. First of all, we started gaining the position not from the beginning. Obviously, we waited for the market to break some previous extremums, and we saved more than 1,700 pips here. And the next thing that we have a flexible distance between orders that change due to the market volatility. And for comparison, if the distance between the first and the second order is around 600 pips here, actually it's a mistake. We have one, two, three, four, five. Then the distance between third and fourth order is more than 1,000 pips. So it means that we actually consider the market situation and we make this net more flexible to save our money, not to gain a lot of orders on a short distance, because it's risky when you trade with bigger lots each time you enter the market. So we closed those trades with total profit around $60. Then on Thursday, we broke the previous local support. We bought from here, and on Friday we broke the previous local resistance level. We sold from here, and we have the situation that is pretty similar to the one we saw on GBP to USD. We're trying to break the previous highs. In my opinion, we may break them, but we still have like the capacity. We have only one order, and we can stay in the market till the previous resistance level or even higher, and wait for the correction to close our trades. But who knows? Maybe on Monday we're gonna fall from these levels, and it will be enough to close our selling order with profit. The next currency pair is Australian to New Zealand dollar. We have this downtrend here, so you can see mostly we are buying. And we started this week from the correction as we were expecting. If you remember, we had this trade from Friday after we broke the local support level and closed it with profit successfully. It was on Monday. Then we bought once again after like this impulse. We actually fell down for like if we'll measure the distance for 800 pips, like it's a lot for this currency pair, and also like we broke the like previous support levels. We bought from here, and then on Thursday, when we came closer to the previous resistance level, we sold here and closed our deal with profit. So far, we can say that we are in a stage of this kind of a consolidation. We have clear resistance, we have clear support. Let's wait for the market to show us the direction. If we'll break this support level, we are really close to it. We're gonna buy, and we'll be waiting for the market to bounce back from this level. And the next currency pair is New Zealand to Canadian dollar. We had actually a not very pleasant situation on Tuesday when we closed our trade with loss instead of closing it with profit. But I want to highlight the situation. Those of you who only started trading and like they don't know what to do in this situation and why did we like make this kind of choice here. But everything is simple when we trade on news. Our orders they are put into a global queue for the execution, and nobody knows whose order will be executed first and whose will be executed, let's say, maybe after 1,000 or 10,000 and other orders. So like that's why we had the trigger to enter the market right here. But actually, when it came to us, like our trades were closed only at the top, but obviously that we had chances to close our trades here and here, but like unfortunately, like we have this situation when we actually can trigger the closing of the order at a certain price, but the execution may be 400, 300, 500 pips worse than you expect. So thanks God we had only like two trades here, not like 5 or 6 trades. So the like result is not very bad, and we already made some like profitable trades to cover it. So we were mostly selling. You can see obviously we have a lot of orange circles here because we're growing. We had only one buying trade on Thursday when we fell down and like broke the previous support levels, and then we started selling, selling, selling. Now we have two bunches of trades. Each robot opened like two trades. You can see like 0.02, 0.04. The second robot 0.02, 0.04. So let's wait for the market to open on Monday. I think that we may try to actually retest the previous local highs, and it will be a good point to average our trades once again. And on the correction after this retest, we can close them with profit. But let's see. The next currency pair is Australian to Canadian dollar. We didn't have too much trades because we spent this week in this like consolidation. We closed our deals from the previous week with profit. We had one selling order, we averaged it and closed it with profit. Also, another robot opened the trade on Monday morning, and we also closed it with profit. On Wednesday, we broke the like previous local support and bought from it and closed our trades with profit. And on Friday, also we had this local resistance level. We broke it and we triggered two bots to start trading. We are very close to the previous local high. So this first scenario may be like we are retesting this level, averaging our trades and going down. Maybe we can go down like straight from the prices we have now, or we can actually grow further because you can see that we have a local uptrend, actually, local uptrend, and if we'll have a third scenario, we'll have to like average the trades each time we approach to new resistance levels. So that's all for today. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you are making profits with us. You are trading with the multiplier that makes you like feel comfortable in terms of risks and profitability. Stay safe, make money with Libertex, and see you next Saturday.